all these plackets are in Guide to Fashion Sewing. So that might help you, you know, if you want to look at those diagrams later on. Try to refresh your memory. Okay, so it's just stitched up the one side, up the roof, down the roof, and that's it. Then we're going to clip the corners and flip it out. Which this is a little bit of a trick because this piece is smaller than my point turner. Anything else exciting in here? Help me. I forgot the silver. So now you have a cute little upper placket. And you probably want to just throw the iron on that quickly so it's nice and flat. Okay, so now the upper placket we apply to the other side. And it's kind of a similar deal in that you start with the right side of the placket on the wrong side of the shirt. Forgot to cut my little notch there. There we go. Okay, so it's one layer of the placket, wrong side, or right side to the wrong side of the shirt. 1/4 inch. The other little edge gets pressed under 1/4 inch. And the whole business flips around to the front. Like that. Which is really the same thing as you did for the first one. But you sew one edge, you iron the other edge, and you flip it around. But this one is carrying this big old tail with it, which makes it seem like it's something real fancy. But I'll spin it around, look at it very carefully, flip it the other way, flip it back, so you just make sure you understand how that part works. And then we're just going to edge stitch that thing down.
Mark.
keeps coming around, so everybody make sure that you get 2 different sheets. If I skipped anybody, let me know.
So you're gonna say like, I don't know, like, you're gonna,
Yeah, it'll cover that part up. Exactly. Okay. So, top stitch this guy down. I did the fancy X box shape at the top. If you just want to come up one side, around the roof, back down the other side, and across, that's fine. You just come across at the top of the slit there. But somehow I cannot resist making a cute little X. Like if I've done all this work to make a cute placket, it's going to be real cute. And I mean, honestly and truly, it's not that hard. And this looks like 10 times fancier than the continuous lap, so I like to do this one. So people are like, you did that? Yes, I did. Because I'm awesome. So that's that guy. It's just, you know, a little binding on one side and then the big fancy binding on the other side and stitch it down. Voila. You can do that. Right. Okay, so those are our 3 packets. Then we have to talk about the shirt. Any pocket questions? this to you again. You will have your 3 placket samples done, and you will have your plackets on your shirt sleeves. And you can do the continuous lap, which is what comes with the shirt, or if you want to be fancy pants, you can do the shirt sleeve placket. Just make sure that they close the correct direction. That's all I ask. So remember, it's supposed to sit here and close down. Which sometimes I just have to get out a shirt that I already have while I'm doing it and go. Okay. I mean, sometimes I even have to like wear the shirt, right? So I can be like, okay, that's where it is, and it goes that way. Then I'll lay my little sleeve on my arm and go, okay.
Yeah, I went to my neighbor's apartment to see her pants.
Yeah, sometimes it just helps if you're physically looking at it.